class of 2020. This is most definitely not the year that you planned, not the year that you could have expected, and certainly not the year that you could have imagined. We hope that you will be as proud to be a graduate of the Cobb County School District as we are proud to call you a graduate of the Cobb County School District. So from everyone on our one team, we hope that you have accomplished everything that you have set out to accomplish during your high school career. And we also know that we have prepared you for success for that next step. So we wish you the best of luck and the best of success in whatever your next step has in store for you.
Hey seniors, I want you to know that we are so proud of each of you in the graduating class of 2020. We have enjoyed watching you grow into the young adults that you are today. Our teachers and coaches have loved being a part of your journey. You should be proud of all of your accomplishments and your hard work. We can't wait to hear of all that you do in the future. I know you will be a success. We love you and we are proud of you. You are Allatoona. Go Bucks!
Congratulations to our class of 2020 at Allatoona High School. Over the past 13 years, we've worked so hard and accomplished incredible things. It may not have ended the way that we wanted it to, but keep your chin up because things will get better. Allatoona has given all of us incredible memories and incredible friends, so cherish those memories and spend time with those friends when you can. I know all of you will do incredible things in the future, and as always, go Bucks.
Class of 2020, what's up? Mr. AHS here. I just want to thank y'all for an amazing 4 years at Allatoona High School. I'm going to cherish every moment I had. I came in as a really awkward freshman. I mean, y'all know how I was, into the senior I am now. And I think we can all say everyone grew a lot at Allatoona. Y'all know I love you. Y'all know you can reach out. I wish y'all the best of luck in college. See ya.
I know the last couple weeks have been a roller coaster for everybody, but I just want to say what an amazing 4 years it's been. It's crazy how time flies. I can't believe it's over, but we're going into the next chapter and I'm pretty excited to see what the future holds for everybody. So I wish you guys the best of luck and I'll see you.
Hey seniors, I know this isn't how we planned on closing our chapter at Allatoona, but some people say that you don't know what you have until it's gone, but I think that's what's different about us, and we've always known how to make fun and light out of any situation. I know this will only make us stronger, so go Bucks.
Hey class of 2020, I know this isn't the end of the year we would have anticipated back in August. I think we're still lucky to have spent the past 4 years together going to dances and all the concerts and football games. I made some of my best memories with you guys and so many really good friendships. So I hope as you move on to college or the military, wherever you're going, that you can accomplish what you wanted to and you can succeed.
What's up, class of 2020? Asante here. I just wanted to thank you guys for making these past 4 years some of the best parts of my life. It's been a rough year. We didn't get our prom, we didn't get our graduation, but with all that, this will push us to be better people in the future.